Yo, what is good? We're here. We're gonna do some live trading. Figured why not? I've been sitting here since about. Actually, it wasn't like 7. I woke up at like 7:30 from thunder, bro. It was massive thunder, and it woke me up at like 7:15. And I just got on the charts at about 8:30. It's 9:40 now, but I got on here at about 8:40 after I was done reading and stuff. But I figured, why not live record from now and see if we can catch something for the YouTube, right? We took an RB trade yesterday, and it was pretty clean. Today dude, silver looks beautiful. If we hold on, head out to the daily. Let's how do I hide drawings? Hide. All right. If we take a look at the daily, put in this reversal candle here at Tuesday. This expansion failed to run these equal highs here. Opened with a gap down. Put in SMT with gold right here. 4 hour. Now let's put the drawings back on. Here's the previous day low SMT. SMT with 6 p.m. low at 2 p.m. and an SMT at 10 p.m. with the 6 p.m. low. So I was expecting 2 a.m. after I got onto the charts and saw this expansion. I was going to expect a 6 a.m. expansion as well. But gold looks like it wants to take out this 2 a.m. low, which is fine. I'm just waiting. We put in this 1 hour reversal candle. It looks like 30-minute put in a clear reversal candle. So now it's just waiting for, looks like gold to take out this 4 hour low, and then we can trade silver up to previous day high. But that's what I'm looking at on silver. Indices, I came in bearish, wanting to see previous day low and this sell side right here. However, it literally dumped, and there was no entry when I got onto the charts. Got on when this candle was absolutely dumping. Right, we put in SMT with previous day high with the YM, and I didn't really like this accumulation because like we made perfect equal highs with this 2 a.m. candle, and it's a straight expansion. So unfortunate, but it is what it is. But we can trade YM. Alright, so SMT with previous day high, 10 p.m. reversal, 2 a.m. expansion. We did take this low, but it doesn't support the narrative to reverse off of it because we failed to take this low. So I don't want to be trading against these equal lows here, and we have this gap fill down here. But obviously NQ is the weaker asset, so YM is the stronger one. We're gonna have to wait for these to resync. Maybe it's like a 10 a.m. open, take out the 6 a.m. high, preferably with a small wick, and then we trade the expansion to sell side. RTY, same thing, perfect equal lows. Perfect equal lows, same thing as the YM, but right now we do have an SMT here, but obviously we are going to have to wait for 10 because of this wick. Alright, so these two, YM and RTY, clearly look the best for the indices. And yeah, alright, I'm just going to have to wait to see what gold wants to do if we want to take this 2 a.m. low. If not, then I don't know if I would even be down to trade silver. Like, yes, silver looks beautiful, but let's maybe, like, we put in SMT here. We did. So we have an SMT here with gold. So gold could reverse. And then if we reverse on gold, it could bring silver with it. Like, obviously silver is stronger out of the gold and silver. And we're about to close this 15-minute. So maybe gold doesn't actually take that 2 a.m. low because we just did put in that reversal, or that SMT. Yeah, I mean, this 15 minute just closed beautifully, but I mean, I'm not marketing in all the way up here. It is a 2R. It is a 2R to previous day high here. What's the risk? Whatever. Yeah, not doing 6. 660, 240, it's not bad. While silver is getting that push higher. Okay, so YM and RTY are pumping, and did NQ just leave equal lows? Low 42.25. It dug beneath it by 3 ticks. Yeah, there goes silver, bruh. I don't want to trade gold because this structure just doesn't look good. There goes silver, bro. I mean, if we don't take out this high here and we retrace to that 3 minute gap, I would I'd be down. Dude, why are we wicking so much? Damn, RTY is pumping. I mean, this does look good. The only thing that doesn't is this 15-minute candle. Like, that 15-minute candle doesn't look the best at all. Yeah, I'll give it a shot. Alright, we're in silver. What is previous day high? 510? Alright. We are in from 20. Alright. So, this trade expecting this 6 a.m. candle to continue the expansion. Alright, 1 hour put in this reversal. 30-minute closed as a reversal. So we're expecting this 9:30 candle to continue the expansion. The only thing that doesn't look ideal is this 15-minute, but we have enough time to flip it. Alright. And we had this 3-minute OB here. Right, this one is this 5-minute OB, but since we're on the 3-minute, I can change it to here. Right, and this down close got support from this fair value gap, and we opened up a new one. Right, so we're in from here, and we shall see. And my stops right here, because you don't want it like expansion met with expansion. You don't want to see deep retracements here. You want to see this hold and deliver us higher, right? Damn, RTY. Holy shit. Are we really gonna leave those? I'm only in on this trade on Top Step. Only in on my Top Step accounts here. I'll show the execution after, but that's where I'm only in on Top Step. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for 10 a.m. for the indices. I'm not sure where it wants to go yet. But I do need to go take a piss, so I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Okay, cool. So silver, jeez, silver getting a nice move here. Yeah, once we take these highs, stop can, like this swing low, we wouldn't want to see it retrace to. Where's 2R though? Right there. What's I am doing? Still, bro, these equal lows, man. They look way too clean. And I also can't believe NQ left those. Damn, bro. Gold is following suit. All the gold assets look good to come to this high. Pop up through there, silver. There. Alright, now stop can get moved to that swing. Boink. Now we want to see silver like displace here. We'll see if silver can continue to previous day high. Dude, if RTY... Oh, I just realized the new 10 a.m. candle is in 2 minutes. Bro, that's the one thing about bullish markets. Like, we can leave these equal lows, bro. Like, I don't know if you guys remember, but when we were at all-time highs a while ago, all we would do is leave equal lows and then pump off of them. It was super obnoxious, to be honest. Alright, so with silver here, we prefer a 10 a.m. to have a small wick because 1 hour, right? This is the manipulation candle. This would be our continuation candle. So we would prefer a small wick to be put in place to continue the expansion. And the 4 hour, right? Since 6 a.m. had this large wick, we didn't expect it to expand to previous day high immediately. So 10 a.m. is where we would want the small wick to be put in and then the continuation, all right? So we'll see if that happens. Gold assets. Well, GBP made equal highs. Gold still hasn't reached it yet. I basically can just move my stop to break even though. Yeah, I mean there's, like, I wouldn't want this deep of a retracement, so boink. So we'll see if this can get support from here and put in that 10 a.m. wick to then continue higher. Alright? So we'll see. But indices. Alright. So we have 9:30 daily open. We left relative equal lows down here. Ooh. Alright, so we left these, like, 3 ticks is like nothing. And we have this slight SMT. But there's no, like, identified reversal here. Yeah, I mean, that's just a straight up move. I'd have to see YM or, like, RT. I'd prefer YM to trade to this 10 a.m. high, or this 9 a.m. high, and RTY fail to take it out, because I can't get in up here. Like, change in delivery isn't until down here. Even on the 3-minute, it's not until down here. We'll see. But hopefully silver can follow through to a previous day high. Alright, so what we need here is closure above. Gold is trying to make its way up. Right here is my 2R. Alright, let's see if YM can take out this high. Bro, but we ran this. Oh my god. Yeah, I wouldn't be down for YM shorts anymore. I mean, holy shit. We just pumped 475 points, bruh. I'd be down for RTY. So, okay. There's this high. So we have this SMT here on RTY. Right here. Alright, so this can stay a swing point. Alright, so silver closed above these down closes. This is where I'd want to see continuation. Gold's trying to get up there. So hopefully we can get gold up there too. Alright, if this can close bullish, I wonder if no, there's no 3-minute fair value gap or anything. No swing point. I want to see gold follow to that high. Boom. Nice. Oops. Oh, that's why. I was like, hey. Alright, we just hit my 2R. We'll see if gold can reach this high, we should hit previous day high on silver. Let's pull gold up here, silver up over here. Boom. TP smacked, boys. TP smacked. Beautiful. Beautiful. TP smacked. So, yeah. I mean, very simple trade. Nice, and there was gold that took out that high. I'll show you guys the executions here. Copy, paste. All right. So right there, got out for 500 on all the Top Step accounts. So pretty solid day on Top Step. The only reason I traded Top Step today, or just on this trade, really no reason. I just took oh dude, Draco's still in. Unreal. Stud. Yeah, there was really no reason, but we'll see if oops. The fuck did I just do? RTY can set up. If you guys want me to go over like the full daily analysis real quick, I can. So coming in, right, we put in this reversal candle on Tuesday, so Tuesday low of week. We left all these failure swings, right? So we left these failure swings up through here. All right, what don't you want to be trading against? Failure swings. Okay, so we probably will get here today, but previous day high, we'll go over the RR there. So, all right, so range low taken. Up here is our range high, which, or you can say this is the range high, whatever. We take out this low, come straight back into the range. 4-hour change in delivery. All right. Respect this, and we actually have an SMT here. All right, so this right here, I took an overnight long on silver right here, but I took it off at break even because I got nervous. Like, I'm gonna be straight up, I wanted to go to sleep after I entered this. Unfortunately, I got too nervous. I took it off. So unfortunate, but it is what it is. So coming into today though, all right, I stopped that recording because I thought RTY was about to set up. Anyways, silver, previous day low, SMT with gold. All right, coming down to the 4-hour, right here is the SMT. Put in SMT again with gold right here. Then we put in another SMT with gold right here, right? But we had this 2 a.m. expansion. 6 a.m. not really expanding. Why? Because we have a long wick. All right, so what do you want to see with, like I was saying, what do you want to see whenever 10 a.m. opens? A small wick to be put in, so then it can expand, right? So coming down to the hourly, we actually had an SMT with this 4 a.m. low with gold. put in this 1 hour reversal candle, right? And how do we confirm it? Well, 30-minute closes as a reversal, right? So coming down to the 3-minute where I got my entry, right? So comes down, fills out this fair value gap here. And a change in delivery. Alright, so what do we wait for? Order block continuation, right here. Alright. So I got in wherever I got in, 520, I think, or 20, with a stop loss here. And I got out a little above previous day high, which was where? Alright. So previous day high, I got out where? I think I got out for literally, yeah, 500 bucks on all the accounts. So 520 for just under a 3R. Yeah, 520. All right, so just under a 3R here. Could have held to this high, but why be greedy, you know? So plus 500 on all the Top Step accounts, well, minus fees, right? So I think fees were what? Plus 496. Right? So plus 496 on all the Top Step accounts. So yeah, glad that I actually decided to record, because why not, you know? So yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video. Or is it? Or is it? I'm not really interested in NQ. I need to pee again though. Kind of want to wait for 10:30 actually. I guess that silver trade's good enough for the YouTube. If I take another trade, go to my Twitter, go to my TikTok, I'll go over it. Win or loss, if I take a trade, it'll be on RTY. So if you want to know if I took another trade, go over to my Twitter or my TikTok. Links are in the description, so go ahead, head over. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the live trade. Peace.